Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 3500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, remote engine start. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.